Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Yennora for Yennora at Dusk. Now departing on platform number 2 for a Leppington service. We have front 4 cars, K75 and its friend, stopping next at Fairfield, then followed by Canley Vale, Cappamata, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Edmonton Park and Leppington. The rear 4 cars is K74, whilst we have Waratah A72. Now arriving on platform number 1. Thanks for a City Circle service via Granville. And Waratah A72 now departing on platform number 1. City Circle via Granville service, stopping next at Guildford. M24 and friend now departing platform number 2, Leppington service. Should be stopping next at Fairfield, followed by Canley Vale, Cappamata, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Edmonton Park and Leppington. Rear 4 cars, M18. We have an M set arriving on platform number 2 for a Leppington service. Front half is the youngest and the newest M set in service. M35 is the front 4 cars. Should be able to tell you rear 4 cars when it departs. M35 and friend now departing platform number 2, Leppington service. He'll be stopping next at Fairfield, they're followed by Canley Vale, Cappamata, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Edmonton Park and Leppington. Take 2. M35 and friend is now departing platform number 2 for a Leppington service, stopping next at Fairfield, followed by Canley Vale, Cappamata, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Edmonton Park and Leppington. The rear 4 cars of this lovely M set is M27. We have a Series 1 Waratah arriving on platform number 1. City Circle via Granville service, stopping next at Guildford, followed by Marylands, Granville, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Burwood, Ashfield, Newtown, Redfern Central and the City Circle. Waratah Series 1 set is A70. And Waratah Series 1 A70 now departing platform number 1, City Circle via Granville service, stopping next at Guildford, then followed by Maryland, Granville, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Burwood, Ashfield, Newtown, Redfern Central, then the City Circle. We should have a Leppington service arriving on platform number 2, stopping next at Fairfield, followed by Canley Vale, Cappamata, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Edmonton Park and Leppington. Another K set, K61 is the front 4 cars. I should be able to the rear 4 cars of this lovely K set is as soon as it departs. K61 and K93 now departing platform number 2, Leppington service. We have a Leppington bound K set now departing platform number 2. Should be stopping next at Fairfield, followed by Canley-Vale, then all stations to Leppington. Front half is K68. And the rear forecast is K60. S28 being the front forecast. Rear forecast in front of the camera is S53. And it's going to Leppington. Stopping next at Fairfield. We have Millennium set M7 coming into Camfu, now departing platform number 1. Blacktown service, stopping at Guildford, then followed by Marylands, Harris Park, Parramatta, Westmead, Wentworthville, Pendle Hill, Toongabbie, Seven Hills, and Blacktown. That was Millennium set M7. We have a Leppington service arriving on platform number 2. Stopping next at Fairfield, followed by Canley-Vale, Caparamatta, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Edmondson Park, and Leppington. K64 is the front 4 cars. And the rear 4 cars is K83. And you wouldn't believe it, we have City Trains on Location's favourite Waratah, A62, now departed platform number 1. City Circle via Granville service, stopping next at Guildford. Waratah A62. We have S137, the front 4 cars and its friend now arriving on platform number 2 for a Leppington service. Might give you guys a walk down the platform. This lovely S set will be stopping at Fairfield, followed by Canley-Vale, Caparamatta, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Edmondson Park, and Leppington. S137 and its mate is now departing platform number 2, Leppington service. And the rear 4 cars is S91. Well, we have a train about to go past platform number 1, not in service, so I'll keep rolling. Ah, it's a C set. C12 is a front 4 cars. And the rear 4 cars is C6. We have yet another Leppington service arriving on platform number 2. This came from Blacktown and Parramatta. 4 cars only, M17. Oh, packed like a tin of sardines. M17 now departing platform number 2, Leppington service. Next stop being Fairfield. We have ourselves a Waratah Series 1 now arriving on platform number 2, Leppington service. Waratah Series 1 set is A39. Should be stopping next at Fairfield, followed by Candyvale, Caparramatta, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Edmondson Park and Leppington. A39. Waratah A39 now departing platform number 2, Leppington service. Should be stopping next at Fairfield. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.